Hello everyone, and thanks for watching Edupedia World Videos. In this video, we'll discuss solutions to Part C, that is Mathematics, for the 2016 JEE Mains paper. We will be following the test booklet code E. Let's look at the next question. We are given that P is a point on the parabola which is at a minimum distance from the center C of the circle x squared plus y plus 6 whole squared is equal to 1. The center of this circle is 0, minus 6 and the radius of this circle is 1. So let's take the point on the parabola to be h, now y square is equal to 8h, so y is equal to root 8h. Actually it will be easier to work with k, so let's take the y coordinate to be k and then the x coordinate will be k square by 8, y square by 8. Because we don't have to work with roots then. So this is a random point P. Now this point has the distance from 0, minus 6, which is the minimum value. So we can just do that. The distance d will be root of k square by 8 whole squared, or k to the power 4 by 64, plus k plus 6 whole squared. Now this has to be the minimum. If this is minimum, the thing between the roots will also be minimum, which means the derivative with respect to k will be 0. So 4 by 64 will be 16. So k cubed by 16 plus 2 times k plus 6, that is 2k plus 12. This has to be equal to 0, which means k cubed plus 32k plus 1612 is 192 is equal to 0. Now we need solutions of this. There will be 3 solutions. We know how to do that. We need just one solution by inspection, and generally in JEE you will have at least one. If it's an integer solution, you can see it by inspection, put it that way. So after looking at a little bit while, you can see that first of all k has to be negative, because only then will k cube and k be negative, and you'll see k is equal to minus 4 does satisfy this equation, because minus 4 whole cube will be minus 64, and 32 into minus 4 will be 64 into 2, that is minus 128, and you can see that their sum is minus 192. So k is minus 4 is a solution. That means k square times k plus 4 plus, now 4k square is left, so minus 4k times k plus 4. Now we have plus 16k, we need plus 32k. So plus 16 times, need plus 32k, so plus 48 times k plus 4, and 48 into 4 is 192. This is 0, which means the other equation is k square minus 4k plus 48 is 0, and since the discriminant is positive, there is no other solution. So the only solution to this equation is k is minus 4, which means x will be minus 4 whole square, or 16 by 8, which is 2. So p is equal to 2, minus 4. So we found out the point P. We want the equation of a circle passing through C and having its center at P. So the equation will be x minus 2 whole squared plus y plus 4 whole squared is equal to r squared, and it has to pass through the center C, the center of the first circle. It has to pass through 0, minus 6. So this will be 2 squared, which is 4, and minus 6 plus 4 will again give me 2 squared, or 4, 8. So r is 2 root 2, which means r square is 8. So the equation is x squared minus 4x plus y squared plus 8y, and then this is 8 and this is 16. The sum will be 20 minus 8. 4 plus 16 is 20. 20 minus 8, which will be 12. So x squared minus 4x plus y squared plus 8y plus 12 is equal to 0, which means the answer is option 1. This completes the solutions. Thank you.